Hi, I'm Mike Gunski from SPS Spindle. Today's video showcases one of our great industry partners, CNC North. We're at the facility in Claremont, New Hampshire, where they specialize in building new and also rebuilding older grinding machines. The machines are used in a variety of different applications, including automotive, aerospace, and bearing manufacturing. SPS Spindle rebuilds and retrofits the existing spindles that they use in these rebuilt machines. We also supply new state-of-the-art Capellini spindles from Italy for both the new and old options depending on their needs. These outdated machines arrive at the CNC North facility and require extensive restoration and rebuilding to bring them to the level required by today's applications. The machines are completely disassembled and rebuilt from the base up while requalifying every critical area. All of the parts are repainted. Most of these machines will be used for the grinding of a very specific part. The customer will provide sample parts, and the machine will undergo extensive testing to ensure they meet every specification. The rebuilt machine pictured here is undergoing its final assembly before being shipped out to CNC North's customer for use in producing automotive driveline components. The large workhead spindle was designed and manufactured by CNC North's head engineer and co-owner, Bob Hawkins. SPS Spindle did the assembly of the rebuilt workhead and dresser, and we also provided a Capellini engineered 75,000 RPM ID grinding spindle. Once the machine is put through its paces and the customer signs off, it'll be ready to ship. Thanks for watching our video. To learn more, please visit spsspindle.com.